Since 1972, the Shields family has been providing the very best in patient care. From the early days of the Madelon Nursing Home to the state-of-the-art MRI, CT, and PET centers of today, the Shields name has long been associated with a spirit of innovation, kindness, and customer service that has distinguished it from all others in the field. At the heart of the company is founder, father, and grandfather Tom Shields Sr.
There's nothing that gives you greater satisfaction than to run into a friend or acquaintance or someone who was introduced to you and they say, gee, I went to one of your centers and boy, they treated me nicely. And that was really a good experience. That warms my heart. We've been blessed by the quality of the people we've hired. We've been truly blessed. We have great doctors, we have great technologists, and great folks in positions of leadership, and they all happily have embraced and embodied today the Shields culture. I want everybody to be treated just like they were dealing with their own mother. Many of these patients who come to us are subjects to life-threatening diseases, and they, are very anxious and have a high level of natural anxiety that we work very hard, the staff does, to dispel their anxiety, to hold their hand, to kind of offer out a kind word to them, and to make the experience not only as rewarding diagnostically, but to make it stress-free as humanly possible. And for that, we have an unusually gifted staff. We're very, very blessed. I went into the paper business like my dad. I brought no great aptitude to it, or did I derive any great satisfaction from it, but within 3 or 4 years, I was married and had 7 children. We had 7 children in the succeeding 8 years. And it was as we were driving up the hill to St. Margaret's Hospital for her 6th delivery that I no longer had a job, that I had been unable to focus my energies or my outlook in the way that warranted my continued participation with the paper company I was working for. The love of a good wife, which is key. I mean, she believed in me even when I didn't really believe in myself at all. I mean, and she thought I could leap buildings and do wonderful things, which is wonderful. I mean, if she hadn't felt that way, I surely wouldn't have accomplished what good fortune has befallen us. Many people have heard me say that this is my 8th child, my wife and my 8th child. Indeed it is, and we're as protective of it as we would be of any of our children when they were infants. And I have some people who have been with me for many, many years for whom I feel the affection, and I know it's reciprocated, that I get a big kick out of seeing them. And I know they get a big kick out of seeing me. I have the good fortune of working with some of my children, which is great blessing. Not without its stresses from time to time. It has been a wonderful ride. We've had it's been a very exciting and very satisfying and very rewarding undertaking. It's very satisfying to me that we can sustain this year after year, and indeed are probably stronger than we've ever been. We don't resist the future, we rush out to embrace it.